Hi family, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to Rosy Natural. So this was my genuine reaction the very first time I applied this product. Let's see what more this product has. So a few days before Black Friday, I posted on my community tab that I wanted to try this product. Like, I've seen countless YouTubers raving about this product. People really love this product. So I want to see the magic in there. I want to see exactly what people are raving about. So I decided to get myself one whilst it was on sale. On a normal day, this product sells for around $17.99, but on Black Friday, I got this for around $10. Occasionally, it goes on sales, I think especially at Walgreens. So if you're looking to buy this product on sale, then maybe look out for sales at Walgreens. So it says on the label that it's an intense, deep penetrating conditioner for dry, damaged and color treated hair. It has water, raw honey, olive oil, jojoba seed oil and aloe vera juice in the first 5 ingredient list. It also has dimeticon, which is a lightweight water soluble silicone. And so because it's water soluble, I don't think it should be a problem, especially for naturals who are trying to avoid silicones. So the first thing I liked about this product when I opened it was the fragrance. I really liked it. I can't really describe what it smells like, but it has this sweet smell and it's really nice. I can't really describe it though. And this is the kind of fragrance I wouldn't want to leave my hair completely after rinsing out. Texture was next. It really felt smooth and silky to touch, and as to the consistency, it wasn't super thick, neither was it runny. It was just in between and I liked the consistency. So here's what my hair was looking like before the entire process of shampooing and the deep conditioning. On the container it says to shampoo hair and then to condition before deep conditioning with this product. I usually skip conditioner when I'm doing deep conditioning, so it means I do shampoo and then deep conditioner. But to follow the instruction on this container, I decided to shampoo and then condition before doing the deep conditioning with this hair mask. So I used their moisture-rich sulfur-free shampoo and also triple moisture replenishing conditioner for the first step. And now to the application. When I started applying the product, it feels so good. Like I've tried another hair mask before and this is different. This has so much sleep. By the way, I deep conditioned my ears. Just kidding. So this product was so easy to apply. It has a lot of sleep and so it helped with the application. So the instruction says to apply a generous amount on the hair. It didn't state whether on wet hair or dry hair, but it says after shampooing and conditioning, so definitely it should be wet or damp hair. So apply a generous amount on the hair and then comb from the root to tip to spread the product along the strands. To cover the hair with a plastic cap after the application and sit under a dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes or leave it on for 35 minutes to about an hour without heat before rinsing out with warm water followed by cool water. One instruction I don't really see on the container is how often this product should be used, but given that it doesn't have any protein in there and also with the water soluble silicone, I think I'll reach out for it anytime my hair needs it. It could be every wash day, which is every 2 weeks for me, or maybe once in a month. So I decided to apply the product all over my hair before coming back to comb through. That was just because I didn't want my hair to dry out. I didn't want to hold a spray bottle spraying water in there whilst applying. So I applied everything before coming back to comb my hair. And as you can see, the comb was just gliding through my hair smoothly. So after application, I covered my hair with 2 plastic bags and waited for an hour without heat before rinsing out. I must say that my entire experience with the application was a good one, and despite the amount of product I used, I barely scratched the surface. I feel like I can get so many uses out of this one container. So after about an hour, I took out the twist to rinse my hair. And it looked like my hair absorbed much of the product. As far as feeling, my hair felt very soft. But that is not to say this is the first or only product that has given me this kind of feeling. I know what my hair feels like when it's well moisturized, and so I can say this is one of the good products. So for some products, after rinsing out, you don't really feel the softness you felt whilst the product was still in there. But for this one, after rinsing out, I still felt the softness. So I can honestly say this product is good, but I will only buy it on sale. So here's what my hair is looking like after rinsing out compared to before I started. The shrinkage tells it all. Will I repurchase this product? Yes, if it's on sale, I will. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.